Some NURBS operations pop up an alert concerning construction history. This is trueSpace's way of asking you if you'll ever need to access the profile or rail curves for that surface again. History is created whenever you use the rail, loft, bi-rail, cross-section, and blend or stitch tools. In edit mode of this pair of bi-rail objects, you can see the original curves. If you press delete while a curve is selected, trueSpace will warn you. Convert to gain access to a different set of editing tools and to use the blend and stitch tools. There's no undoing conversion, so it's a good idea to keep a library named History Objects, as well as a sequential scene library as the project progresses. There's another way to convert to a patch. The tool with the big name Convert NURBS Object with Construction History into Plain Patch on the NURBS toolbar will work on groups as well as single surfaces. Here we'll open the keyframe editor and look at the two objects again before conversion. The bi-rail objects are shown, and if we had animated their curves, keyframes would be shown. Control select each object, and when we click the convert tool, you can see the rail surface disappear along with any associated keyframes. They are now plain patches without history or animation. When do you need to convert? Whenever you no longer need to edit rail and profile curves, but do need to blend, stitch, or patch edit. In this case, we want to be able to blend the front curves of this object. Anytime the alert appears, there's a history surface in the model. We'll go ahead and convert as we blend. The blend tool will be covered in detail in another tutorial. And now the blend surface itself has history, but history alerts don't appear with blended and stitched surfaces. You see that we can't edit the blend itself. Blends follow the original patches and can be animated. Here we'll navigate the hierarchy to select and move patches. The blend follows, but has no effect when moved itself. How can you edit the blend surface itself? Convert it to a plain patch. But be careful because our patches are no longer attached to each other, and further editing could create holes and breaks in between the patches. Here we'll just refine it a bit and show that you can add detail to the blended area. You'll also see the alert when entering edit mode with objects that contain a sub-object having history. You can either convert or navigate the hierarchy to edit surfaces independently while retaining history. Here the end pieces have active rail and profile curves, while the sides are plain patches. Once you become accustomed to using history, you can bypass the alert dialogues by going to File, Preferences, and checking the Auto Convert box. You can also convert a NURBS patch to a polyhedron by using the Convert NURBS Patch to Polyhedron tool. You won't get a history warning, and you can't undo, so be careful and save first. You'll be able to use even more tools on the object. Hey, it's great to have options, isn't it?